Like, imagine if poetry was put on the stage in a way that was like, it's pop.
What do you think other people do when they hang out?
Probably get shit-faced and throw up.
Let's bring their two worlds crashing together with one hand behind my back and blindfolded.
Do you hear that?
I'm here to recover an asset and I'll take it back to mine. While I'm here, I'll sip on your essence and I'll drink it down like
the Fool.
wine. Oh.
This way up, it represents new beginnings. The Fool strides into the future.
That you're making me do.
You don't have to go. Stay.
I don't know if I'm cut out for this.
But actually, those thoughts don't need to be in charge. You know?
And I'm slow as molasses. If that is
Hey.
what it takes.
Just try and have a good night.
To keep me away from you. I don't know what else to do.
It's a scary world out there, and soon you'll be leaving the safety of our happy playland and fending for yourselves in the land of grown-ups.
I guess we're all weirdos in our own way.
You should finish your comic.
I don't know if it was a good story, but I can give it a good ending and then start something new.
That's often how it works.
Don't be a smart-ass, Dylan.
And then something moved him, and he's never been the same since. He's listening on the misty.
I hate everyone so much and I don't mean to.
Okay, fair enough. But they're trying, you know? We're all trying really hard.
I'm too femme.
Boo him. I reckon being femme is your superpower. It's your connection to witchcraft.